This boring website right here is making over $100,000 every single month. And it's so simple, anyone can build it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process on how you can rebuild this with AI. We're going to use only one AI tool to recreate this site. By the end of this video, you have a money-making website without writing a single line of code. All right, let's jump in.
It's a super simple concept. There's tons of these out there. It's an automated SEO articles generator. Let's have a look through it. Outrank, how it works. So you put in your business details, auto selects keywords for you, and then starts creating content and ranking you based on those keywords and the information you've given it on your business. And it's $99 for 30 articles a month. Auto keyword research made for you hands-free. High DR backlinks. So we're going to rebuild this today with AI. And I've gone ahead and already built out a web page. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're not going to build a web page, but you can see here, great looking web page. It's SEO AI Writer. I will link to a tutorial up here on how to build a landing page and a website if you want to learn about this. So let's give it its first command. Create a dashboard with a left-hand navigation with article settings and keywords links. Articles should list articles, keywords should be a list, and settings a form, including website theme, tone of voice, etc. So we'll use the settings to provide ChatGPT, our AI engine, later on to create the articles. Okay, so it looks like it's created that for us. Let's have a look here. Articles, we've got a list of articles, actions on the right-hand side. Nice. Keywords, difficulty, and search volume, which is nice. We change this into an index, remove that. Settings, this is where we're going to set the app up, let it know what our website's about and what it needs to create articles on. Save those settings. The website theme has been updated successfully. Cool. So keywords. Need to update this to make it look better. I don't like the look of this. So I've asked it here to update the keywords page to be a simple index with checkboxes on the left and remove the top widgets. So now that's been updated, we've changed that to a table. We've done that for both articles and keywords. You can see it's much nicer to look at, easier to navigate. Nice little search there, which narrows it down. The same for articles. So the next step is to introduce AI to make this quite valuable. We're going to send off the settings, which tells us about the website, and the keywords they've selected to AI, ChatGPT, so that it creates the articles automatically for the customer. So I've given it a command here. Add a create articles button to the top of the articles page, which sends the keyword data and settings data to ChatGPT, which should create 5 articles, title and content, which we then save to the database and display in the index. We've got the generate AI articles button at the top. That should send our stuff off to ChatGPT and create AI articles based on our theme with our keywords inserted in the content. We've added a little spinner on the button that just lets the user know that stuff is processing and they should wait for it to return back. Otherwise, the user will be reloading the page, wondering what's happening, thinking the website's stuck. This is a better user interaction. There we go, it's come back. So we've got machine learning for developers, deep learning unlocking advanced automation for SMBs, computer vision, automating visual tasks. So it's all AI related. So to see if our keywords are in there, we're going to need to add an edit page to view the content that it's created. So let's go ahead and give it that instruction. So I've asked it to add an edit page with a WYSIWYG. A WYSIWYG is just an editor that allows us to add images, add tables, make that blog article a bit more full with these other kind of formats. You can add different fonts. Make it bold, italic, for example. There we go. So we've got the article edit page, got our title here, got our WYSIWYG. Let's see if the keywords are in the content and if ChatGPT did a good job. So our keywords, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Yeah, artificial intelligence there, deep learning is there. Yeah, computer vision. Sweet, so all the keywords are appearing in the content, and this is now becoming super valuable. What we would add next, probably some more styling, but you would need to add a scheduler in there as well. So let's go ahead and add that on the front end. So I've asked it to add a date scheduler on the edit form. It's added that. We can pick a date and time, so September 17th. 2:15. This article will be scheduled for publication on Wednesday, September 17th. So we can see here that's been scheduled for September 17th. So now a user can come in and tell us about their business and their website, give us the information they want us to start creating the articles on, choose the keywords that have low difficulty and a high search volume each month so that they can start ranking their website on there. ChatGPT will automatically create articles for us, would automate that. The next thing you need to do, which we won't cover here, is create a scheduler in the backend just to do that automatically. And you can also create a backlink program as well. That would be super valuable. But here you have it. We've created an application that does over $100,000 each month without writing a single line of code in about 20 minutes, all with AI. So I hope this helps and you go away and you're able to create this app for yourself or something else that creates value. All right, cheers.